Let's make tracking text like this. Create a text layer using Shift Option Command T. Name it and move it roughly to where you want it to go. Now select your video layer that has the object that you want to track and go up to Window, Tracker. I assigned it already to F19. Go up to Track Motion and you get this cool little tracker. Put it in a high contrast area in the area that you want the text to move with. And then make sure that you're at the beginning of your timeline and click Analyze or Analyze Forward. Give it a second. And those are all your tracking points that the text will follow. Now hit Edit Target, make sure that it's on your text layer that you selected, and click Apply. And apply dimensions X and Y. For this, I just want to go left and right, so we're going to do X-axis only. If you wanted both, you could do that. Now, you notice that it's tracked, but it's in a wonky position. So go back down to your text layer, hit P for position, and be sure to click on the actual position word, because then it selects all of the tracking points, not just one, and then relocate it. Wait for it to buffer, as After Effects does, and you've tracked text.